So let me say, hey, can you check out the emails and things that I have going on my calendar today? I think I have a webinar and some other stuff going on. Can you help me prioritize my tasks today and tell me what are the most urgent to-dos I have to respond to in email and what I got going on today? So this is, I think, we're entering a new stage because AI is now able to connect to the things that are kind of going on in our lives, which is again things like our email, our calendar, our data sets, etc. Right? We're able to then be able to get a lot more utility and usage out of AI because it's actually able to see our stuff, right? Even as recently as, I don't know, a year or two ago, that was maybe, I guess, 2 years. We're talking about 1.5 years ago. This was not the case because this was in the pre-MCP days. I couldn't do something like this, right? Where you can see it's saying, let me pull up your calendar and check the inbox, and it's doing it in parallel. And I can click this arrow, for example, and see, okay, I'm searching the calendar more broadly for April 21st events, extending through the end of April 22nd, and catch anything that might span those dates. And then it's searching my email threads. Sometimes it's slow, but I also have a fix for that, right? In certain places like Claude, what I can do is I can run like a regular artifact. So I actually already had this run in my day-to-day, but I'm just going back and kind of showing you so you can kind of see how it thinks. It's lagging a little bit slow. Okay, there we go. Okay, so it's again, all of this is the AI thinking in the background.